and the strawberry. Actually, I'm grade 3, but don't tell anyone that I'm in the Philippines and I speak Tagalog. And here's the I just had some bad news because my squeezy cheese had a hole, and syempre sa YouTube short ko, syempre na nagkain akong pancit canton ko, may peanut butter at oyster sauce, but joke lang yun. But only the normal pancit canton. I just eating and until my father said Tagalog, then I said Tagalog too. Syempre. And please don't tell the Philippine government that I'm playing Roblox VNG, and please don't ban it because it's only for Vietnam. So if Roblox is banned, then Vietnam is still safe because I just play that game in the Philippines because I don't want Roblox, the original Roblox, to die because I know it's banning today. Like fuck that Philippines government. It will make the YouTubers or TikTokers who play Roblox will lose everything. Yeah, lose everything. Like motherfucker. But I'm playing Minecraft, but instead of that thing, I don't like it, so I just play crafting and building because it's like Minecraft, but it's so cool. I play with it with Ivana, and she just deleted it because her father is deleting it because he don't wanted to be full of that thing. So that's why my sister Ivana is hiding the games in the secret apps. Okay. So here is my special one. You think it's new, but shoot! Here we go.